morning, children. I hope you all are doing fine. Let us move to your video. Our delicious food. In our previous sessions, we learned about importance of food, varieties of food. Yes. Then, why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to live, to get energy from work and play. Yes. Then, why do we need to drink water? Yes. Then, what are the uses of, if you eat food means what are the uses? Yes, these are all the things we can learn, we can discuss about in the last two sessions. Now, in this session, we'll discuss about the topics are variety of dishes, food for a day, healthy food items. Let us go. Variety of dishes. Listen, children, a variety of dishes. Each and every dish we eat is an unique taste. Yes, each and every dishes are very taste. The dishes are made up of one or more ingredients. Yes or no? Yes. Here in this picture, one example will be there. We use rice and ragi. Rice plus ragi made ragi porridge. Ragi porridge. In Tamil name called kool. Yes. We can in this dishes we can use two ingredients. What are they? Rice and ragi. We'll move to next. Variety of dishes with same ingredient. Variety of dishes with same ingredient. See, we can prepare many dishes. Yes, using the same ingredient. Here, some of examples will be there. See, rice. Rice. We'll use rice to make many dishes. Kozhakattai, vattal, puttu, idli, rice porridge, appam. Yes or no? Rice, kozhakattai, vattal, puttu, idli, rice porridge, appam. Then we use wheat to make chapati, puri, bread, dosa. Then fish fry, puttu, fish curry. These are the things used to same ingredient with making many dishes. And in these ingredients we can commonly use salt and spices add taste to food. And sugar and sugar also. If you are making any dishes means we can use salt, spices. If you are making any sweet dishes means you can use sugar or jaggery. Okay. Now, food for a day. Food for a day. Per day, how many times we all are eat? 3 times. Morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and dinner at night. Yes, we should not skip any meal. We should not skip any meal. My dear children, you did not skip any meal. Okay. Why? Because you need energy to work and play means you can eat every day. That is healthy food items. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains. Okay. And some people prefer vegetarian food and some of them prefer non-vegetarian food. Yes, some of them eat only vegetarian, greens, vegetables, fruits, and some of them eat these things and meat, fish, egg also. Okay, here some examples will be given there. Cooked rice with soaked overnight. That is in Tamil called Palaya Soru. If the remaining rice will be there means mother will pour the water and leave it in overnight. Next day we will eat. That is called Palaya Soru. Then full meal. We can eat sambar, rasam, poriyal, varval, aviyal, appalam, payasam, vada. Yes, these are called full meal. Then chicken biryani. Yes, and ragi adai. Then food for a day. We have snacks in between. Yes, if you are eating 3 meals in a day means in between we can eat some snacks. If you're eating snacks means that snacks also will be in healthy and made with jaggery. Okay, here we should choose healthy food items as snacks. Chickpea sundal, Bengal gram sundal, puffed rice ball, pori urundai, sesame ball, groundnut candy. Healthy food items. We all have favorite dishes. Yes, some of them are healthy and can be eaten regularly. Yes or no? If some of them like idli, some of them like dosa, some of them like chapati, they eat regularly. Yes, here we all have our favorite dishes. Some of them like biryani. Yes, my dear children, you all are like biryani, ice creams, chocolates. Yes, ice cream, chocolates are unhealthy food. Okay, see, idli, wheat bread, groundnut candy, sprouted grains. These are all healthy food items and we can eat regularly these items. Yes, and some should be eaten once in a while. Some should be eaten once in a while, not regularly. That once in a while means you can take small quantity only. Example, gulab jamun, laddu, murukku, chips, etc. Now, say yes to this healthy food items. Many of us like sweets. Yes, you all are like sweets and I also like sweets. If you like sweets means we can prepare with jaggery or sugar. Sweets made with jaggery are better for health. Now only I tell. Yes, my dear children, sweets made with jaggery are better for health. Here some of the examples made with the dishes jaggery. Here, parapu payasam, sesame balls, adrasam, groundnut balls. These are all sweets made with the help of jaggery. And next, milk payasam, rasagulla, rava laddu. These are all made with the sugar. Okay, these are all some sweet items. Then say no to this unhealthy foods. Say no to this unhealthy foods. Some of the snacks we like are not good for us. Yes, some of the snacks we like are not good for us. Here some of the snacks will be we all are like, but it is not good for our health. Say no to them. What are they? Biscuits, white bread, ice cream, maida noodles, soft drinks, chocolates. Soft drinks means Coca-Cola, Sprite, 7-Up there. Okay, these are all soft drinks you should not drink. Now, variety of cooked and uncooked foods. Cooked and uncooked foods. Steamed food will be there, sprouted grains, edible grains. Oh, see, steamed food items and sprouted grains are healthy. Steamed food, idli, rice, salt balls, puttu, idiyappam, string hoppers. Idiyappam in English called string hoppers. Okay, next one, sprouted grains. Shall we do it, my dear children? You can take 1 bowl of green gram and soak green gram overnight in water. Drain the water and tie it in a clean cotton cloth. Observe the changes in the grains on the next day. Okay, this is called sprouted grains. Now, leaves. Leaves, some of plants are used as food. Leaves of some plants are used as food. They are called greens. We should have greens at least twice a week. We should have greens at least twice a week. My dear children, every day we need to eat every 3 meals. Yes or no? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. In each 3 meals, we have to eat healthy food items, maintaining diet. We use fruits, vegetables, and nuts and grains also. And twice in a week you can take leaves, green leaves. Here some three examples will be there. Drumstick leaves. In Tamil we say Murungai Keerai. Black nightshade leaves. Manatakali Keerai. Daf copper leaves. Ponnangani Keerai. Children, repeat with me please. Drumstick leaves. Murungai Keerai. DRUMSTICK. Drumstick leaves. LEAVES. Drumstick leaves. Murungai Keerai. MURUNGAI. Murungai Keerai. KEERAI. Murungai Keerai. Black shade leaves. BLACK. Black. NIGHTSHADE. Nightshade leaves. LEAVES. Nightshade leaves. Manatakali Keerai. MANATHAKKALI. Manatakali Keerai. KEERAI. Next one, dwarf. Dwarf means small. DWARF. Dwarf. Copper. 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 Leaves. LEAVES. Copper leaves. Ponnangani Keerai. PONNANKANNI. Ponnangani Keerai. KEERAI. These are all some examples of green leaves. Okay? Thank you, children. Hope you understand this session. Save food, share food, war in need. Stay safe, eat well, stay healthy. Thank you, my dear children. See you.